Hello everyone, today we're cooking mutton masala, bakra means bakra. So we need 1 kg bakra, mutton, garlic, ginger, chili, methi, haldi, garam masala, salt, and kitchen king, meat masala, coriander powder, cumin seed, ginger, jeera, cardamoms and cloves. And we got 400 grams tomato, plum tomato, and we got 3 chopped onion and some oil as well. Let's start. We need some oil, about 3 tablespoons. When oil's a little bit hot, then we add some cumin, add some cardamoms, cloves, and some jeera. Now we add some chopped onion. And leave the gas on slow and put the lid on for 5 minutes. Right, onions a little bit brown. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon salt and ginger, garlic, methi and chili paste. And mix well. Right. And now we put the lid on for 5 minutes. Right, onions nice brown is cooked. Now we add some haldi, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, and mix well. And we add some water in the masalas, make it paste. Right, masala is nearly ready. Now we are adding some paste, garam masala, chicken king, meat masala and coriander paste, and mix well and leave it for 5 minutes.
Hello.
Right, turmeric and all the masala is mixed well now. Now we're adding tomatoes. Some tomatoes. Mix it and put the lid on for 10 minutes on the slow heat. Right, masala is nearly cooked. That's it. ready now. We're adding some mutton in, bakra. And mix that. We cook the masala well, and we add the mutton in, and we leave it for 10 minutes like that, and we put the lid on now, and we will see after 10 minutes. Right, after 10 minutes you can see mutton looks really good. Now we're adding some water, about 1 cup. For the sauce. And we'll leave like that for 40 minutes and put the lid on, and we will see after 40 minutes for the slow gas. Right, mutton is ready now. The texture is really nice and the gravy is really nice and thick. I hope you like my recipe. Please like, share and comment please, and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.